Hardware store. So, see you later.
Was ist jetzt? Willst du filmen oder soll ich filmen?
No, you can film as well.
Ach, zusammen.
Where we go first?
Wollen wir nach Gläser gucken?
Yeah.
Da sehe ich keine Wheatbeer-Gläser.
Maybe the bulbs first, should see. Oh, this is 50%, no? This way like this.
So we are looking now for the bulbs, and they're pretty expensive here. I'm looking for the cheapest. 11 euro, 12. What are the cheapest? Not expensive. Oh, this is a very special bulbs. Yeah, this is nice.
This is nice, you know?
150.
I really like it, this one. Nice.
This is very old-fashioned.
This is old.
Very old-fashioned.
Seems like old-fashioned.
Another
I
bulbs.
think we take the other one.
Looking here. Ah, here. Osram maybe.
This one?
Another lamps. Copper. This is nice. Copper.
Yeah? Where are you? You're hiding.
Das soll ich doppelt ist blöd.
Yeah, I like as well.
Ja, nee, also doppelt mache ich nicht.
Okay. I checked the plant, see. There is no plants.
The pots, darling, how much are they here?
Yeah.
They are not so very cheap.
Look, this one. I like this. Look, I take a picture. This one.
24 euros, the small one.
Oh, the flowers is here. We can go this way. Look, it just looks nice.
Yeah.
The lady.
Here they have put 20 euro one.
20 euro. This is quite expensive, you know.
This is
Kitty, I like to buy plants.
1,000. Is it?
Not this one. I need to have a good plan, Shetsi. This is nice, Shetsi. This one, Shetsi, this is nice also. I like the yellow. Oh, I like the blue.
Blue one.
Maybe the blue one. Look. Oh, the blue one is nice. Yeah. The green.
Wir haben keine Karton und keine. Yeah, the blue looks good.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Mm.
This is more blue.
Mm-hmm.
By yellow?
Yeah. This one, oh, very nice. This one. This here. Really nice. Mm.
Nice. I like this one. This is quite expensive.
Yeah,
We can watch first.
this is nice. Very nice color.
And look, Chatsy. Look, Chatsy.
Oh yeah, nice.
This is also for outside.
I have no idea. I really don't. I don't think so. I mean, you have to ask her.
We go this way. Oh, the white one. This is
Mm.
19. They're very expensive. Man.
Hmm. Very interesting.
Oh, this is roses. Look, roses. 7 euro. White roses.
It looks boring. Tut mir leid.
Yeah, it's true. The roses.
Hier ist schön. Hier diese.
Let me see. How much? Maybe this is for outside. Very interesting. This one for sure, this is outside.
Mm.
Look, it's a bit large. It's a
Mm.
interesting. This
Mm.
I'll put my Anjatsi
Wow.
our. I like to buy that
Yeah.
for our garden.
Mm.
Mama, so we can buy only this one.
Oh, this is good because you can
Yeah,
use this too.
because in the Philippines they don't have this like this. You know, only. But how much it costs? 84.
84.71.
I don't know how much in the Philippines.
I don't know.
Yeah, Maureen told me there is a small one only to sell this.
Mm.
Only this one, single.
Mm. The tools. A lot of tools.
That's it. Oh my god. Very, very strong. Be
Mm.
careful.
Yeah. Hinten, nicht hier. Not this way, darling. The clearance.
Yeah, sometimes it's good to watch the
No, yeah. Not very interesting stuff. What's cooking is done? What you looking for? Hmm?
I'm looking for this. Euro only. But which one you like the color? I think this is nice, yeah?
I don't know.
All the time I'm looking for flesh. Right colors.
Here you have the stuff for cleaning the ground.
Or maybe this one. Still 15 euro.
But this one is 12.
And one is 12. Maybe the blue is nice.
No,
I'll take the blue, yeah?
I also take pink. I don't mind.
No, I don't like the pink.
Here on the other side they also have the other here. This is more
I
for
don't like the style. Horrible style. It's hard to clean. This one is more...
now take it.
See, this is okay.
Don't break it down.
Okay. I think this is okay.
It's all, yeah?
It's not breaking, this is normal.
Paint. Paint.
This is good for one fam only.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Are you sure?
What here?
Mm.
Fam.
Mm.
What is this, Shatimu? Cutting, yeah?
Yeah.
Cutting the...
How do you call this? Cordless. Oh, it's cordless. Yeah,
It's cut,
not
yeah.
bad. 170.
Can you take a picture for me?
Picture or video? Hä?
Picture.
Hab ich, mach ich schon.
Okay.
Hm.